Hey babies, it's Joynavon and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So I'm back with another natural hair video, of course, and in today's video we're going to be doing a flat twist out on my very dry, very stretched out 4C hair. So just to add some extra moisture into my hair, I'm going to be using the Eden Almond Marshmallow Therapy Leave-In Conditioner. This is a spray, so I'm going to spray it all over my hair. I do have some other moisturizer in my hair previous to this video, so that's why I don't really need anything else. So now I'm just going to start by sectioning my hair off, and I'm just getting my middle part down packed. And how I like to do this whenever I do flat twist outs is to kind of put my hair into 4 sections, or at least 3 sections. I like to section off the front and then section off the back. So I'm going to only be using Blue Magic hair grease for this. Now, if you guys missed my last natural hair video, I did a twist out, just a regular twist out, using only Blue Magic grease, and I really liked the results, and a lot of you guys seem to have liked it too. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to keep using this, and maybe I'll do like a video update like after I've used it for a while and just really truly speak on how I feel about the grease and what I personally feel like it's done to my hair and what I may have noticed. So if you're interested in seeing that, please let me know down below in the comment section. So moving on to the flat twist, as you can see, I'm just parting my hair off and adding some grease to my hair after detangling it, and then just flat twisting the hair down. Now, fun fact, my first flat twist out video that I ever did here on my channel is like one of my first, if not my first. I want to say it's either my first or my second natural hair video that I ever did on YouTube, and it was highly viewed, so I appreciate that. If you have been here since then, shout out to you, because I don't typically do flat twist outs. This is not like a normal thing for me, so it feels good to be doing one of these again. I think I might continue doing them more often. So the process is very, self-explanatory. You're watching what I'm doing right now, so you can see I do the front first, and then I just move on to the back. The back is usually very hard for me because obviously it's the back of my head. I can't reach it that well, and I'm not like a perfectionist when it comes to doing flat twist outs or like even braids. I struggle with braiding my own hair, like cornrowing it, so the back looks janky, but it's okay. We're gonna keep it pushing. So this is my hair all finished, and I'm just hitting it with some more leave-in, just a little bit more. And then I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes. Now, I will leave my dryer attachment and my blow dryer linked down below in the description box for you guys to check out if you're interested. So now that my hair is dry, I'm going to start unraveling the twist, and I just added some oil, just some Jamaican black castor oil onto my fingers to start unraveling them. So when taking these down, I'm doing this as slow as I possibly can. I put it in like regular speed so you guys could see how slow I was actually moving, because when it's sped up it looks like I'm going really fast, but I'm really not. I'm going really slow, and this is how it's turning out. Now, like I said, I don't do flat twist outs very often, but I have done flat twist outs in the past that have given me more, definition. So I don't know. I don't typically also do my hair dry or stretched out like this. I usually do my hair on freshly washed hair, so my results usually come out very different from this. So I wasn't really sure how to feel about it. I think it came out cute, but I wasn't really sure if this is something that I'm going to be doing on a regular, you know what I'm saying? Like blowing my hair out or stretching my hair out or something like that to achieve a look like this. I think I prefer my hair freshly washed. So if you guys want to see me try this flat twist out again with the Blue Magic hair grease on freshly washed hair, I would be happy to do that, because I'm also very curious to see what it would turn out like. So let me know if you're interested in that in the comments as well, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out whenever I post a new video. So this is basically my hair. I'm just picking it out at the root only and doing what I need to do to give it some extra volume, flipping my hair over to the side, up and down, like all that fun stuff. You know how this goes. To give you, that extra volume that you're needing, you need to do these types of things. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by clicking the like button. Like I said, leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel for more. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at joynavon to keep up with my hair and my hairstyles and to see a little behind the scenes on what I'm doing next, what styles I'm trying out. And until then, I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye.